Hi guys, today I will be explaining about how to monetize TikTok account. This process is simple and straightforward. The first thing is open your TikTok application. And after it open, tap on your profile icon which is on the right bottom. And then tap on these three lines which are on the top right. And then tap on the option settings and privacy. And click on account. On the third number you can see the option switch to personal. Let me tell you one thing, if you want to monetize your TikTok account, then you must need a professional TikTok account. Because I have created my professional account and my account is switched to my business account. That's why here is the option switch to personal account. But if you have not created your business account or you have not turned your personal account to your business, then here you will see the option switch to professional account. Then you have to tap on this option switch to business account, because I have already switched my account to business. That's why here is the option switch to personal. After switching, go back from here. Again tap on these three lines which are on the top right and tap on the option creator tools. On the second number you can see the option monetization. Tap on the option view all. Here is only one program for me because I am not eligible, because for monetizing your TikTok account you must need 10,000 followers on your TikTok account and I think almost 100,000 views on your videos. And after you get both, your TikTok account will be monetized and you can earn money using TikTok. And it was the way by which you can monetize your TikTok account.